Okay, this is an interesting little tip. The way I've got my unit set up, I use these hot buttons over here. Okay, 1 through 4 on the 12s. 12s and 16s have these. You don't see them on the 9s and 7s. But what I had to do is that I got this set up so that the top button here, the third button down, that's my running button, basically my map screen. The low button here is the active target screen. Okay. Now, if you go through and you start configuring these buttons, okay, these are called quick access keys. Okay. Now I've got everything set up on short press. I don't use a long press. Okay. So you see this one, the fourth button here, favorite number 5. Well, what happens is that when you go to that list here, if you look in this list of screens you have available, okay, controls, scroll up to page selects, sonar, chart, video, instruments. Guess what? I didn't have the active target in there. So what I did is I created a favorite. If you touch that, it'll let you select different favorite numbers. And what happens is that as you come in to the screen here, if we go to pages, you'll see over here, here's my favorites. Favorite 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe these are presets from the factory. So what I did is I went into my favorites here and I created that. Okay. So the way to add that is pretty simple. You'd add up to a plus here. Okay. You select the panel you want, which is my active target panel. Okay. Save it. Come back. Remember the number it is, and then go, and when you press the button you want to tag the active target screen to, remember what that favorite number is. Boom, and now you're done. So that's the only way I've found to be able to get my active target screen up on my hot buttons, or what I call quick access keys. Okay, saves me a lot of time on the water. It's really pretty handy. So okay.